Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and it's the girl Kissy and Supples. As you all see the title, guys, you all know what's going on with Russia and Ukraine, and a lot of students from Jamaica are stuck over there in Ukraine. But the PNP has established 10,000 US emergency fund to help students in Ukraine. Jamaica PNP party president Mike Golden, MP, has made contact with Jamaican students who are still in the Ukraine, trying to assist them to leave war-torn country. With the support of friends, the PNP has arranged 10,000 US to assist with transportation, food, and other necessities. Mr. Golden said, "We assure the students and their families that we will do whatever to assist them." My thoughts and prayers go out to all the people in Ukraine. It's a sad situation. But guys, before you watch the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's go over now and watch the video.
I have made contact with Jamaican students who are still in Ukraine, hoping to be able to assist them to leave that war-torn country. With the support of some friends, we've arranged 10,000 US dollars to assist the students with transportation or other necessities. I've also contacted the Prime Minister to see if funds can be routed. These funds can be routed through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, as I want to ensure that all the efforts that are being made are coordinated and seamless. It's a very challenging situation and it changes rapidly. At the request of the students this morning, I have already provided a personal donation to cover the cost of purchasing train tickets for 25 students from the Ukrainian city of Kharkiv. They're trying to get to Poland. This morning, one of the students and I were in dialogue, and I was able to advance the sum to cover those tickets via direct transfer into his bank account. Unfortunately, by the time they were able to get to the purchase of the tickets, the train was already fully booked. But they are continuing to try to find other options to leave. And I just want to assure the students and their families that we will continue to do whatever we can to assist them and continue to lobby the government to act in their best interests.